Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss about the movements of rectangular or uniform distribution. Okay, in the previous video I told you that x is belonging in some interval which is bounded by an open interval a comma b. Okay, so now we will start the movements of this uniform distribution. देखो movements, we will calculate only mu1 dash mean or mu2 dash, and by the help of mu1 dash and mu2 dash we will find out our variance. तो movement का formula is mu1 dash is equal to expectation of x, which will be, this is the continuous distribution. तो here minus infinity से infinity x f of x into dx. This will be your formula. What was the difference? The difference is that here in place of summation you are using integration, है ना, और all other properties are same. Integration with respect to this x, okay, and this integration limits are varying on this x because integration आप जिसके रिस्पेक्ट में करोगे उसी के रिस्पेक्ट में आपको ये वैल्यूज दी हुई होंगी इंटीग्रेशन की कॉन्स्टेंट्स. ओके, तो नाउ f of x will be, I am writing the formula for f of x. One by में b minus a into d of x. See why I have taken the limits from a to b directly. Why I have not included the limit from minus infinity to a and from b to infinity? Because in that case your function value is 0, and if you multiply your x with a 0 number, so that will be 0. So no need to mention that thing. That's why I directly written a to b limit. All right. Now this b minus a is a constant, so I can take out this common, a to b x d of x. Now what will be the integration of this? 1 upon में b minus a, it will be x square by 2. When you put the limit from a to b, you will get 1 upon में b minus a, b square minus a square by 2, which will be a plus b, या you can say b plus a by में 2. This is your what? This is mu1 dash mean. Okay, mu1 dash. All right. Now for mu2 dash, how will we proceed? In the same way, mu2 dash के लिए minus infinity to infinity x square will be this time dx. तो a to b x square, by the same reason I have taken the limit from a to b only, and dx. Now when you integrate this, 1 by में b minus a will comes out because it is the constant, a to b x square dx. Integration of this will be x की cube by 3. Okay, from this limit. So it will be 1 upon में b minus a b cube minus a cube upon में 3. I can write it as 1 upon में b minus a. What is the formula for this? I can write it as b minus a into b square plus ab plus a square. This is the formula. Directly I opened here this formula. Now cancel the numerator b minus a and the denominator b minus a. What you will get? You will get b square plus ab plus a square by 3. Now mu2 variance is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash का square. It will be mu2 dash. I am writing in this way, a square plus b square plus a b by में 3 minus a plus b by 2 का whole square, which is 4. I am writing here. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 12. Okay. 3 4s are 12. So 4a square plus 4b square plus 4ab minus में 3a square minus 3b square. 2ab will be there. 2ab into 3 will be 6ab minus 6ab. So it will be 4a square minus a square, 3a square plus b square 4ab minus 6ab minus 2ab upon में 12. तो इट विल बी बी माइनस ए का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 12, और यू कैन राइट ए माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन में 12. This is your variance mu 2. Alright, we will not calculate mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash, but if you want, so you can proceed in the same way. Okay.